Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan. The Slavia is the new midsize sedan which is going to replace the Skoda Rapid in India and other global markets as well. Skoda had already begun developing a new midsize sedan for India, which is now currently on test on public Indian roads. Skoda India have now revealed the dimensions of this new midsize sedan along with the engine options. This new Skoda midsize sedan will be based on the popular MQB A0 India-specific platform and will be longer than the current generation Skoda Rapid in India. This new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan is going to be 4,541 mm in length, 1,752 mm in width, and will have a height of 1,487 mm, which means the Slavia is going to be wider than the Honda City or the Hyundai Verna, while being only slightly shorter in length compared to the Honda City. That said, the Slavia will have segment-besting wheelbase at 2,651 mm. This new midsize sedan will also be 50 mm wider than the current generation Rapid, making the backseat area really spacious, while also improving the luggage space. In terms of styling, this new midsize sedan is likely to carry forward the design elements seen on the Russian spec Skoda Rapid, while also getting a few new design features seen on some latest Skoda cars such as the new Skoda Fabia. The top spec variants will receive all LED headlamps with automatic function, while also featuring signature LED tail lamps and 16-inch machine-cut alloy wheels. Coming to the interior, this new midsize sedan is also likely to be similar to the Russian spec Skoda Rapid, while also offering significantly more features. This new midsize sedan will be hugely spacious when compared to the current generation model, while also offering the new generation Skoda dashboard design along with the large touchscreen system and touch-based automatic climate control. Other new features could include ventilated front seats, digital instrument cluster, premium sounding speakers, wireless phone charging, and My Skoda connected car tech. As a part of the premium features list, this new midsize sedan could also feature an electric sunroof, competing against the Honda City. Talking about engine options, unlike the current generation Skoda Rapid, this new midsize sedan will offer two engine options, with the first one being the very same 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI turbo petrol, producing 115 PS of maximum power and 175 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The second powertrain option will be the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine, producing 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. With this new 1.5-litre 150 PS TSI motor, this new Skoda midsize sedan could be the most powerful midsize sedan in the Indian market. Finally, talking about the launch timeline, the Skoda Slavia is likely to be unveiled on the 18th of November and will go up against the likes of the new Honda City, Hyundai Verna, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, and the upcoming Toyota Belta. Stay tuned for further updates on the new Skoda Slavia midsize sedan. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.